Sunil, congratulations on the inauguration of the Zimmer factory here today. Tell us a little bit more. What can the Indian customer expect from this setup that you have here?
Well, the Zimmer is here since many years. We are supplying the equipment with modern equipment with robots and other integrations, plants, lines. But now India is growing.
Right.
There are a lot of new plants are coming,
Right.
and it is most happening place. So,
Right.
customer expects that our customer is not far away.
Right.
He is near to us. He speaks our language, and he gives the solutions what we need. You know,
Right.
there definitely there are different solutions, different things. So this is the need of an hour that we are here.
Absolutely.
Where is the market?
Absolutely. I think congratulations again on this. Which are the sectors Zimmer is catering to?
Our main sectors were automotive in the beginning, mainly the IC engines,
Right.
main blockhead crank parts, auto parts. Then slowly, we naturally the EV sector is also using up a lot of equipment.
Right.
Recently, we went to the extended to tires, wheels, rims.
Okay.
Then we are now doing electronics industry a lot, food industry, every industry where robot is going. We are going with our grippers and all those things.
So that's very interesting. You're catering to a wide range of sectors. You were mentioning about the robots and the components here. Is there a plan, Sunil, for localization of these components also here in India over a period
It's
of time?
already started. Before making these plants, we looked for vendors which are giving us the parts. We also exported certain plants.
Okay.
And then we are also building now the systems here to supply the Indian customers. And we are not only doing for here, we are giving it to Asia. Some equipment also we are exported to Europe. So we have set up the system. That's why all these quality systems, IT systems, are related to the process monitoring. Everything is very important. You see here, the name is Know-how Factory.
Right.
Know-how factory means we have a know-how of our processes, and then we cater your needs.
Very good. Now, presently, we find, Sunil, a lot of European companies looking at R&D activities in India. Is Zimmer also looking in this direction? That would you be doing some R&D activities for the Zimmer Group?
We already doing a lot of standard equipments for Zimmer Group. In fact, many branch standards has been developed for Zimmer Group from India. Actually, we started first with the engineering team, which worked with the German team,
Right.
and our processes are same.
Right.
And then we developed the procurement team, which is also send the parts to Germany, tested for the quality, and now we are building a system. So there is a very, very systematic approach towards this. So whatever it is made in India or in Germany, you will receive the same quality.
Very good. And congratulations again, and wishing Zimmer all the very best with this new facility here.